This isn't CGI, and it's definitely not paint. It's the new frontier of AI automotive wraps. So today, I'm breaking down exactly how to replicate that premium, hyper-realistic wrap look. With just one perfectly crafted prompt, you can create your own AI car wrapping videos from scratch. Ready to see how it's done? Let's dive in. Step 1. Open HitPaw Edimakor. First, open HitPaw Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded it yet, simply click the link in the description to download and install it on your computer. Step 2. Generate the video. Once you've launched the software, go to AI Video, Text to Video. You'll see the available AI models and their versions. You can select the newest Minimax H3 or the hottest Seedance 2.0. Next, enter the prompt. I've dropped a ready-to-use prompt template in the description. Here's the workflow. Just copy that prompt and paste it into ChatGPT. GPT will first brainstorm 10 creative vehicle and wrap combinations for you. Once you pick your favorite, it'll automatically plug that choice into the template and hand you a finished text-to-video prompt. Or, if you already have a specific idea, you can just manually swap out the vehicle and material yourself. Let's try an example. Turning a Lamborghini Urus into a diamond-textured metallic, then grab the prompt and paste it into Edimakor. Set your desired resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. Edimakor's text-to-video engine will turn your vision into reality. This workflow allows you to create virtually any AI car wrapping videos you want. Step 3. Publish to get free credits. Once you export your video, don't forget to share it on social media. During Edimakor's Back to School campaign, simply add #Edimakor Back to School to your post to claim 60 free credits. Ready to give it a try? HitPaw Edimakor is dedicated to making AI creation effortless and fun. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Check the link in the description to try it yourself. See you in the next one.